Hey ladies, so I want to show you a little quick video on how I package my ribbon and accessories. All the raisins do come in these little clear bags. They're nicely secure in there. And then here are the ribbon. This is how they come. So you'll receive them like this. I sell them by 5 yards. Some orders that won't be able to fit in these mailers, because I do have a bigger size, but sometimes, it's like I've gotten like $100 orders and they just don't fit in this. I will definitely put it in a box, and they do go in these little clear bags, so they are safe and they don't get wet. You know, with the box it's a little different. I am adding new ribbon every month. So as you can see, I have this is the newest one I just got in. It's a 3-inch. This is available on my Etsy in the 3-inch section, and then I do have it in the 1.5. So look at this, so beautiful. All my ribbon is high quality, so go check them out. I do ship pretty fast, so Monday through Friday. If you're ordering before 4 p.m. I do try to get it out there like quick, you know what I mean? Vámonos rápido, you know, fast. Because my shop is right next to my house, so, you know, I come in here, I get things done. I love to be in here, so, like I said, some orders go out like 5 minutes later, you know, so if it's before 4 p.m. Yeah, and on Saturdays, I do ship before 2 p.m. here in Oklahoma. I ship out from Oklahoma, so thank you so much for your time and have an amazing day.